Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get free stuff on Temu without the need of inviting your friends. This however needs to be done on the Temu app on your phone, whether if it's Android or iPhone. It cannot be done on the website itself. So here I'm on my Temu app on my phone, and simply I need to tap on the U tab here at the bottom, click on it or tap on it. And here you see your credit balance here under coupons and offers. And here, as you can see, I got 45 pounds of credit, and I need to collect it to get my benefits. So click on get here or tap on get, and I can spin here to earn credit, and I've earned double price. Okay, spin again, and I've earned 90 pounds of credit. So here I have 90 pounds of credit. And I need to I'll tap on the egg to collect additional bonus, and I got 160 coins. And as you can see, I only need to get 20 more coins in order to get the 90 pound price here. And I can place orders to get these coins. So click on place orders. And here I got 30 extra coins. And here, let's say, for example, I can pick up any products that I want. Okay, pick it. Select the variant, and pick it. And by completing these tasks, I can earn credit in order to get free items. And as you can see, I need to buy this item in order to get the full price. Now, sometimes you can, if you click on the U tab here or the U option, you will see that they sometimes offer you free items here to choose from. So they offer you several free items or totally free of charge. You can add them to your cart and get them absolutely free.